Ian here again with Redline. Wanted to show you everybody a new dolly that we've got. It's really handy when you're trying to take tires and wheels off of vehicles that are very heavy, not the light stuff. And it's just a neat little dolly, very easy to use. One of the things that I like about this dolly is that you've got these great big rollers that are on bearings. They rotate very smoothly, and you've got a pin. You pull in the back, you pull it out, you can move it wherever you want, and just kind of tailor it to the size tires and wheels that you're moving. Up close, you'll see what I mean. And if I spin it there for you, you'll notice it spins very nice and smooth because it's on bearings. Put it in wherever you want, put your pin in place. The dolly makes working with real heavy wheels and tires, like the one off of this diesel right here, a lot easier. When you get ready to put it back on there, you can spin the wheel wherever you need it in order to line it up with your lugs. And that's it. And that's been the new Redline wheel dolly. Do check us out at redlinestands.com. Click on the subscribe button down below and follow us on YouTube. Give us a shout if you got any questions, 901-351-4764. And as always, we appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos.